Hello friends, welcome to my channel Expressive Passions. Today I am excited to share a video on Mandala art. I will be started by explaining the Mandala art forms and then provide a step-by-step demonstration on how to create your own Mandala art. Without any further ado, let's get started. Mandala art. Mandala art has a rich history that spans thousands of years and multiple cultures. The word mandala comes from Sanskrit, meaning circle or disk. In Hinduism and Buddhism, mandalas represents the universe, harmony and balance. They were used in meditation rituals and spiritual practices to symbolize the journey of the self towards enlightenment. In ancient India, mandalas were created as a intricate geometric pattern, often featuring deities, symbols, and motifs. Tibetan Buddhist continues this tradition, creating sand mandalas that were ritually destroyed to represent impermanence. Mandalas also appeared in Native American, African, and Aboriginal cultures, often representing connection to nature, community, and spiritual belief. In modern times, mandala's art has evolved to include various style, materials, and themes, but its essential remains rooted in the spiritual expression and self-discovery. Let's dive deeper into the significance and style of mandala art in various cultures. In Hinduism, mandalas represents the cosmic with deities like Vishnu and Shiva at the center. They symbolize spiritual growth and self-realization. In Buddhism, sand mandalas like those created by the Tibetan monks represent impermanence and fleeting nature of the life. In Native American, mandalas appear in dreamcatcher, symbolizing protection and the connection between the physical and spiritual worlds. In African, mandalas are used in rituals representing community, ancestry, and psychic nature of the life. In Australia, mandala art, like those in the rock art, symbolize the connection to the land, ancestor, and the dream time. In modern Western, mandala have evolved into various art forms representing personal growth, creativity, and mindfulness. Some of the facts about mandala art are: mandala art are representation of powerful existence and deeper connection with the universe and the self. Mandalas can be any form of art in circle. Traditional culture uses mandala for meditational purposes. Mandala art are said to reduce pain and stress, ease depression, lower blood pressure, boost the immune system, and even promote sleep. Mandalas allows for self-discovery, love, inner peace, and more beautiful things in life. Engaging in mandala drawings can help you to get better and have a clear direction of life. you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.